Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today we finally got the One UI 2.0 update here for the S10 and Note 10 series. So yeah, I have the S10 with me, so if you're having the S10e, S10 or S10 Plus, you will get the update. And also if you're having a Note 10, Note 10 Plus also, and you also get this One UI 2.0 update. It's basically some of the features that we are missing from the S20 are now here on the older devices. So features like some camera features were included, not mistaken, and also some new features like quick share and music share. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. So you can see I have an update here. It says postpone, or you can zoom in here, show you guys what's new that you're gonna see in this update. So I haven't installed it yet, but I'm gonna install it soon after we go through this list of new things. So it says here we have the new AR emoji, and it's improved with enhanced facial recognition, and also we have the new camera features. As I said, these are the most highlighting features of this update. So some of the features like the single take from the S20 is now here, and we have the also pro video mode and other filters as well, new filters. And now we also get the front-facing camera recording at 4K 60 frames per second, which is fantastic if you are into vlogging. And so gallery as well has some changes, and also keyboard, and I said quick share, music share, and a couple of new things as well. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install this update. If you are having a S8 or S9 series device, or anything older than this one, I don't think you get the update. So I think this is just for the S10 series family or the Note 10. I'm not mistaken, the S10 Lite or the Note 10 Lite, which recently was launched, I don't think that will get this update. Not sure, could be wrong, but it's not included as well currently. So let us install this in the meantime and see what features do we get, and we can look at it in depth as well. So it's gonna restart for a while, and once it's done restarting and installing all the updates, we will then proceed to take a look at the features itself. So yeah, we'll be right back after the phone has begun installing everything. Alright guys, we are done updating the device. So it took around 15 to 20 minutes actually for me. It actually depends on how many apps you have installed on your phone, but anyway, it's done. And just want a quick announcement. Earlier I think I did mention that this update actually is rolling out in regions, so it's not rolling out in all at one time. So for my region, I got it a bit late, so as of today I just got the update. I think I did mention this earlier. So if you haven't got the update yet, don't worry, be patient, it's gonna come to you shortly. But anyway, let's get on with the video. So I've already installed the One UI 2.1 update. So let's go to settings and verify that. So we'll scroll down to about the device, and we'll go to software information. You can see on the One UI version it's 2.1 over here, and we have a new build number here. And the last few letters, U4C2TC9. So this is a new build number for my device. And yeah, so let us start off with all the new features that I have so far managed to get hands on with. So mainly is the camera. So most of the S20 camera modes are now here. So we go to the camera, we just go to the left here, we go to, this is the new one, single take, as I mentioned earlier. So welcome to single take, where your camera automatically captures a wide variety of pics and clips from any scene. So it's basically gonna do everything for you. I think AI is gonna handle everything. So click OK. So let me just bring an object here. Let's say this Galaxy Buds. Let's see how it handles the single take. So it's very easy. Just focus, take. Let's see what it does. Oh, it says try new angles. Okay, I think it's like mainly for human subjects, so you can't really take objects. So I just want to see how it fares, even though it's not a human subject. Oh, it's made into a video, looks like. Oh, okay, it's also a GIF. Yeah, they made some videos and GIF for you, so it's quite nice if you are taking someone else, or maybe someone else instead of an object. So single take is pretty useful if you do that. I think we only managed to do 3 for me. You can see it says here three pictures or videos. So yeah, you can see it's only 3. Let's go back to the camera. Alright, so what other features were included? We also got the new, let me check the thing is under video. No, it's not here. This is normal mode. We go to more, and yeah, we go to the pro video over here. And there's a new one. So you can see we have access to all the we have access to everything basically from the pro mode and photo mode. Now it's available on the video mode. You can control the ISO. You can control the aperture as well. You can switch to aperture 2.4 or 0.5 in video. It's nice. You can control looks like the temperature, tint, contrast, saturation, highlight and shadowing. Pretty much all the features on the camera is here. You can see we have the autofocus you can control as well, manual focus, and we have the white balance, and lastly we have the exposure. So yeah, we have all those features at hand. If you're very interested in doing the video editing, I mean the video recording videos and editing it, so this is the video mode. Is a good one actually for those of you interested in recording videos or recording high quality professional videos. So this is very good. And next we have the Hyperlapse night mode, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just check. Oh yeah, there we go, it's here. So night Hyperlapse is on. So if you really like to take fast moving videos or fast moving objects, then this mode is for you, because previously we don't have this Hyperlapse night feature, so now we have it. And also we have another feature for the front facing camera, if I'm not mistaken. So we go to phone of camera, you go to the settings over here, and you let me just check. Yeah, front video size. So I remember they bumped up the resolution to Quad HD. Yes, we have Quad HD at 60 frames per second, which is crazy. If you like vlogging at 4K, man, you're not able to do it on your S10, which is fantastic. And we also have 1080p at 60 frames as well. So if you don't want to waste a lot of space, you can just go to this resolution and type in Full HD 60 frames per second, which is fantastic. And let's see what other features do we get. Remember there's a filtering option, so let me just check that. Right, so the filter option is here, you can see on top right, and we have my filter. So this is a new one. Create filters from your photos. So turn any shot into a custom filter. So basically you can take, like, let's say I took the Galaxy Buds, I can turn it into a filter. So yeah, pretty interesting. So we have a sample here that I have to try next. So you can see this filter is applied now, and you can take a picture. You can see the filter is being applied, so which is nice. So you can save it or you can go back. Here's another sample. So if I point it to my, just zoom out a bit. So if I point it to my Galaxy Buds, you see it's kind of following the filter of the cake or the strawberry. So yeah, very nice feature. If you're really into Instagram, all those things, is pretty nice. So the night mode on the camera has been improved as well. So let me just go and find it. Go to more, night. So from what I heard is the night shots are better now, so I have to test this out at night. Previously I think it wasn't really that great, but now there's a new improvement on the night shot, so we can test it out soon once I get out of this place, obviously. Anyway, let's move on to other new features that I found. So if you scroll down from the notification panel, you notice we have we'll go through that later. You notice we have a power button here. So this is another it's a toggle button on the notification panel. So now you can turn off your device from the notification panel instead of just holding the power button right here. So it's the same thing. It's like the one we saw on the Note 10. So now it's finally here. I think you can customize the side key panel. So let me just search it. Okay, I think you can't really customize it. So it's always here, it looks like. I tried finding it, I can't. So if you go to, this is the only option we have, it looks like. The only way is you can either power off here or you can use the soft key. So there's two ways. So let's move on. So from the notification sheet, you slide down. You'll see we have two new options. You have quick share and music share. So quick share is basically like the AirDrop of Apple devices. So this is the same kind of thing actually in the Samsung devices. So Yeah, basically you can share files to any device. You can put anyone, my phone name, and now it's on by default. So unfortunately I don't have another device to show this in action, but once I got the update for my Note 10, I'm gonna show you guys a dedicated video on the quick share feature. So right now it really can't test this out, but in general it's same kind of functionality like the one we saw on the AirDrop for Apple, so the same thing. So now it's available on the S10, and we got a toggle as well to turn it off and on. So next off we have the music share. So this one is quite interesting. Let's say I turn this on and another device connects to my device, I can use that device to control like the Bluetooth speakers on the connected device, which is this one. So I can increase the volume, I can choose the music for it. So very nice feature as well actually, if you like to share your music and your sound to another device. So I also can't really test this, as I said, because I don't have an extra device which has the update. This is the only one, so unfortunately I can't do that in this video, but we're gonna take a look at it in the future as well in more detail. So yeah, those are the things. So what other things I have noticed? I also noticed there's this new app called the AR Zone. I think this is just a dedicated app for your AR emoji, your doodling and your studio. So if you love the AR stuff from Samsung, then this app I think is a pretty nice app. You can see the AR emoji camera is here. Actually it's all in the dedicated app now, which is crazy. But anyway, if you don't want this, I'm not sure you can remove it. Looks like you can't disable it. I think you can hide it. Yeah, you can't disable it. And we have a new one called let's see, Tips as well. So this Tips app, I think it is internet, but anyway, this is another app here that I noticed is different. So yeah, it's in the app drawer. Other than that, this update, that pretty much sums up the update for the S10 series and Note 10. So yeah, mainly the biggest change I gotta say is in the camera. So if you really like those features, like I said, the 4K video vlogging, 4K recording for vlogging, fantastic. At 60 frames, it's gonna be very smooth, and you're also getting bunch of features like single take, which is nice. You're also getting that pro video mode if you really like to tweak around with those video quality and so on. And yeah, that's all the features. I also noticed the fingerprint scanner animation is a bit different. I'm not sure, is it me or I just noticed it's not the same as the previous version. Looks different, but anyway, that's a little bit different. But other than that, everything else is pretty much the same. We're still using Android 10, obviously we're not using Android 11 or something. So just a software update on the Samsung UI side, not really on the Android side. So yeah, so that sums up this update. What do you guys think of this what do you guys think of this video? So I will do a dedicated video, I said, on the quick share feature and the music share, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, that's pretty much it actually, guys. So thank you much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and stay at home, be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.